Hello guys and girls, today we're looking at the surface area of a cube. And here's a cube! And it's yellow, and it's cubic. So if I turn it around, it'll all be very, very cube-like. Okay, all the angles are right angles, right angle, and all the sides are the same. And it's a free G object, so it's a cube. Okay, the purpose of this video is to look at its surface area and give you a little bit of intuition as to why the surface area formula, SA equals 6 lots of S squared, works. Okay, so let's get started. With surface area, you want to think of not the shape, but the net. Ta-da! This is the net of the cube. Okay, so it's all the sides of a cube laid out flat. I can put it back together and it's a cube, or I can lay it out and it's the surface area, and this is called a net. Okay, and let's just look at the surface area of the cube. Okay, it's made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Okay, and each of them is a square. So I'll try and get this right. Okay, so if I want to measure the area of this, I'll end up with the area of a cube. Okay, but firstly I want to show you the shortcut, and then I'll do it the long way, and hopefully they'll both be the same. Okay, so the shortcut is this. I've got 6 squares that are all the same. Okay, 6 squares, each of which is the same. So if I measure the side of a square, and we'll call that one 10 centimeters. Funny that. And we'll just check that that one's also 10 centimeters, which it is. Okay, then this area in here, this box has to be 100 centimeters squared. 10 by 10, 100 centimeters squared. Okay, and because this box is from a cube and it's the same, it's also going to be 100 centimeters squared. Turn that into 100. Okay, and hopefully by now you know exactly where this is going. 100 centimeters. Why do I keep on doing 10? 100 centimeters squared. 100 centimeters squared. Now I'll try and make this very squarey, just to give you the best drawing possible. 100 centimeters squared, and finally 100 centimeters squared. Okay, so all of that adds up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 600 centimeters squared. Okay, now I could have just put 10 into this formula, and I would have gotten, and I'll do this formula part in green, I would have gotten 6 from the 6 times 10 from the S squared, well 10 squared is 100, so we've gotten 6 times 100, which equals 600, okay, centimeters squared. And as these are both the same, we can see the formula works. Okay, so the key part is that this formula works because your net of the square, your net of the cube had 6 squares which are all the same size. Okay, and this will work for any cube simply based on the fact that it's a cube. And we're done. Later guys and girls.